Hi and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this maxi dress using my new pattern called Aimee. I'll leave a link in the description to my pattern shop on Etsy if you want to check it out. As a first step, create 2 darts on the front panel. Then, join back and front pieces together. Then, bind the back neck opening. Pin all facing panels together, stitch and overlock the seams. Now, before sewing, cut a small piece of elastic and insert it to one side of the back neck. Sew a button on the other side. Moving on to the skirt, take front and back panels and sew and overlock the sides together. Cut a small piece of interfacing, approximately 5 by 3 centimeters. Then place interfacing at the center front, approximately 3 centimeters from the hem. Create 2 buttonholes, 1 centimeter away from each other. Use an unpicker to make holes. Take the top facing the wrong side and skirt facing the right side. Insert the skirt into the top and align waistband edges together. You'll need to sew 3 centimeters away from the edge, so your stitch line runs under the buttonholes. Trim the excess fabric from only the top seam allowance. Now fold the skirt seam allowance first by 1 centimeter and then by 2 centimeters and pin it down. Make sure that when you sew, the stitch line is above the buttonholes. Next, we need to make a drawstring belt. Take 2 pieces and sew them together. Fold the ends inside and top stitch. Use a safety pin to insert belt to the waist. Moving on, take your frill pieces, sew and overlock the sides together. Next, we need to create the gathers. Select the longest stitch length on your machine and make a stitch approximately 0.5 centimeters away from the edge. Then pull the threads to create gathers. Sew the frill bottom to the dress and overlock the edge. Then overlook the hem. Fold hem by 1 centimeter and top stitch. Now moving on to the sleeves, bind the sleeve opening. Then create gathers on the sleeves by selecting the longest stitch on your sewing machine and stitch approximately 1 cm away from the edge. Pin cuff to the sleeve, leaving approximately 1 cm on each side. Fold the cuff in half and make a stitch. Then trim the excess fabric and back it out. Use scissors to make your corners nice and pointy. Fold the cuff by 1 cm to cover the stitch line and top stitch. Then, attach the sleeve to the dress. Next, make a buttonhole and sew a button to the cuff. And that's it, your own maxi long sleeve dress. Thanks for watching!